Where are we, Nitro? Where are we?
Daddy's house.
Daddy's house! Yay! I'm gonna have a look at Daddy's house. There's something wrong with it.
Yeah.
It's breaking.
Oh no!
Yeah. Nasisira na siya.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'll fix it.
You'll fix it. Alright, Nitro, here we are. We're at the house. Let's go have a look at what happened to it, okay? Yeah. Here we are. Yes. You say bahay ko.
Bahay ko.
Let's open her up, Nitro. Whoa.
Yeah.
Let's go inside, eh? It's okay. A butiki! It's a butiki! Go inside, Nitro. Daddy's gonna go inside too. Come on.
There's a boot.
Yeah, it's okay. He's our friend. He eats all the bugs. He eats all the bugs. Oh. Nitro, where's your toys?
Right there.
There they are. All the toys that Lola Tata sent you. They're all there, aren't they? Oh, that's cool. You want to play with the toys?
No.
No, not yet. What about the other toys in there?
No.
There's more from Lola Tata in there. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, there's toys there too, hey. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to the Dwantro Vlog. So, as you know by the title of this video, nasisira na pong bahay namin. Bahay na nire-rent ko. Actually, bihira lang ako dito. Well, bihira lang si Nitro dito at bihira lang si Shanta dito. More na ako lang. Pumunta ako dito sa bahay na to kapag mag-edit ako, kapag kailangan ako ng sariling parang workspace to edit videos, film videos, ganun. So, ayun. Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan nasisira ang bahay na to. So, ito po yung pintuan namin and ito yung parang yung pader na nakidlat. Nasisira na siya. You can see the wall is slowly breaking all across there. No! And it ends just there. But it looks like it's going to go all the way up and across. What's that? It's Bumblebee. It's a Bumblebee costume, hey! Pati po yung roof. It's starting to get cracks in it as well. This is the CR, and just next to the CR, it's cracking. It's cracking up there. No! And if we go inside here, there's just small cracks there, but the roof, oh, what is happening to the roof? It's like parang may leak inside the roof or something that's made it sag. Hindi ko alam.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
I found one.
What's that? Oh, you found one. You found the cracks, didn't you?
A big crack.
A big crack, eh? Yeah. Open up the window there, let some airflow into the house. Buksan natin to. Okay, buddy. What's up? What? Can you see any more cracks?
Up there.
Yeah, just on the roof, just the roof. Hey, we got some cracks on the roof. So this room is okay except for some tiny cracks in the roof. Dito ko nag-edit ng videos. Dito. Pero may problema ang ganito. Natutulo po yung bintana namin. Kapag umuulan, pumunta dito yung tubig and parang bumaha dito. Bumabaha dito basta umuulan. What you looking at, Nitro? What's that?
There.
Where? Oh, it's some birds. Oh, they flew away. Yeah, they flew away, didn't they? Yeah. Dito naman, just in front of the room, there's a big crack on the roof. And then if we walk in here, oh no! This room is the worst. Like, cracks everywhere. Napipil na yung paint all across the roof. Where? Did you see the big cracks in the roof? Yeah? So, ayan, Dwantro Fam, nasisira na po siya. Medyo kinabahan ako ng konti. Kasi, di ba, dito sa Leyte madalas ang lindol.
Kita ang pinsala ng lindol. May mga nasirang bahay.
Laging may lindol dito. At least every year, there's a lindol. So, I'm like, oh, I hope this house doesn't collapse. I mean, mukhang matibay siya, pero the cracks make me worry. Bago ang bahay na to, bagong-bago. bagong tinayo. So I think the builders have cut costs and done it cheap. Because mukhang modern siya pagpasok mo dito. Mula sa labas, modern siya tingnan. Pero when you take a closer look, it's obvious na whoever built this place didn't do it right. Nope, they didn't do it right.
Big scratch and another scratch.
Yeah, there were lots of cracks, hey. Well, see, there's a crack here. That's a crack, look. A big crack, hey.
Daddy's house is broken.
Daddy's house is broken.
What we should do?
Well, we should fix it. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to fix it?
No, not yet because it's hard to fix this because it's so big.
Yeah. That's right. So this house is good for the price we pay. Nagbabayad kami ng 10,000 pesos isang buwan to rent this place. Of course, we pay for water, kuryente, lahat na yun. Yun. So it's 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, and it's, you know, it's decent looking, pero yun nga lang, may mga konting problema. So I think I'll have to contact the landlord and get them to fix all these cracks and the leak. So ayun, para masaya na ang buhay.
This beautiful life.
Yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ka talaga kami nagsastay dito for palagi.
You go.
Oh, thank you, Nitro. Natutulog kami dun sa sa bahay ng nanay ni Shanta. Doon kami natutulog. Doon si Shanta all day. Ako lang yung pumupunta dito. Minsan kasama si Nitro.
One bullet.
Oh, you found a bullet. Very good. Bullet for Nerf gun, by the way. So, the reason we don't stay here is because mainit. Sobrang init. So I have one little electric fan here, pero kulang eh. Kailangan may aircon. Kailangan magpa-install ako ng aircon. Pero hindi ko to bahay. Nagre-rent lang ako.
Daddy.
Oh, you shoot daddy with the gun. Oh. And sobrang init to the point na like Shanta can't handle it. Hindi niya kaya at all. And minsan like napapawisan din si Nitro. This is just a big oven. Big hot box. Mahirap talaga mag-focus dito kasi sobrang init. Kahit sa gabi, sobrang init. Kailangan talaga ng bahay na to ng aircon. I think I might buy like air conditioning unit that I can uninstall, portable kumbaga, and take it with us kasi grabe, it's just so hot. Minsan hindi ko talaga kayang mag-focus sa trabaho kasi it's just so mainit. So para maunlad kami, we need aircon or something in this house so that it's comfortable and cool. So forever ba kami magstay dito sa Leyte? The answer is no. We're not gonna stay here forever. Kasi napansin ko na kulang ang mga gusto namin dito sa Leyte. It just doesn't have everything we like. It's a very chill life here where not much really happens. Sa totoo lang. Yeah, it's not very exciting. Sa totoo lang. Mas gusto namin yung city. So we're planning on moving back to Manila or back to Australia. Sinubukan ko rin ang Cebu kasi pero we just weren't feeling Cebu. It wasn't us. It wasn't the place that we want to be. We want to be somewhere where more things are happening, more things that we can go to, places to see. Kulang kasi talaga ang mga tourist spot dito sa Leyte, no? It's so kulang. So I think habang nag-stay kami dito sa Leyte, we're going to get out of debt. Bayaran namin lahat ng mga utang namin. We're just gonna save up money. Kasi mura naman ang buhay dito sa Leyte. Once we do that, we're going to move. Pero Shanta wants to build a house here. Kasi di ba meron kaming lupa dito sa Leyte. Malapit lang dito sa bahay na to. So,
Go upstairs.
you wanna go upstairs again? Alright, Daddy will. Tapusin muna natin itong vlog, ha? Finish the vlog? What's that? What are you wearing on your head? Is it a basket?
Mapriso ka.
Ano? Mapriso ka? What do you say? Saksi mo? Go.
Mapriso ka.
Ang purpose ng lupa namin dito sa Leyte is Nitro's inheritance. That's really the only purpose. We will build a house on it one day. We will live there for a bit, but ultimately, magiging bahay ni Nitro yan. Bahay na yan. Diba? That's your inheritance, buddy. May bahay ka na, baby ka pa lang. Sana all. Alright guys, thank you for watching and we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Alright, bye for now. If you want to be a Facebook Dwantro VIP member, i-click nyo yung subscribe button na nasa Facebook page namin. You will get access to VIP only content every month and you'll be invited to a VIP only group chat with me, Shantar Nitro. Ayan. Thanks for watching guys and see you in the next one.